Okay, today we're going to buy a house for $100,000, and we're going to look at two different ways to pay for it. We've talked in class about a 30-year mortgage versus a 15-year mortgage. So we're going to get down to the nitty-gritty and find out what the price difference is going to be. We're also going to create a mortgage repayment schedule in Google Sheets. So here we go. I'm going to go to my drive. Again, not going to like a lot of people like to go to. I'm going to my drive, and to start a new project, I'm going to go to my professional math folder. Look at that organizational skills. Those organizational skills is just profound. Here we go. See, I've got some projects we've already done, and we're going to do a new project called payment schedule. So I go over here to new. And I believe this is project 7. Actually, you know what? Project 7 was the number system project that was on paper. I'm going to say project 8, mortgage repayment. You can call it whatever you want to. Let's just let it load there. Okay, mortgage repayment schedule. Oh boy, 2018 technology. Look how long it takes to get some letters in there. Okay. Oh, let's spell it. It's a good thing I'm doing a technology project here. It's going snail's pace. All right. There we go. New folder for the project. Mortgage repayment schedule. And we're going to Google Sheets. Our goal here is to make this look like an actual schedule that you will get from a mortgage company when you buy a house. All right? So they don't let's call this mortgage repayment. I've got a cheat sheet. I did it last, and so in this other tab here, I have last year's formulas. Okay, so on the first sheet we're going to do the 15-year home loan repayment schedule. 15-year mortgage repayment schedule. All right, this one's going a little bit faster. Go ahead and merge these together. That's over. You guys see it? Is it this one? All right. And what do I have in this next one? Total paid. This is what we're looking for here. And the formula I used here was equals. If you want to put in a formula for sheets to recognize as a formula to calculate, you start with equals. We're going to do C4 times 180. Equals. Now sheet says, let's do some math. We'll take cell C4, so that's C4, and then times 180. Okay, let's see what else. So right now is 0 because there's nothing in C4. Our rate, they gave us, that should not say 5 cents. That should be 5%. So let's fix that. Rate should be 5%. And let's actually, you know what? Let's do 0.5. Make sure it calculates it correctly. Now I'm going to change the format to just to make sure the math is legit. All right, our mortgage. I said we're going to be borrowing $100,000. Now, because we had a down payment, the cost of the house was probably more like $110,000 or somewhere around there. But after we pay the down payment, we're borrowing from the bank $100,000. The term of the loan for this first sheet is 15 years. Okay, I guess I wrote years. 15 years. And here we go. Here's our headings. We're going to put in month, starting balance, payment, all that good stuff. Month, starting balance, monthly payment. I should really write monthly payment. Periodic interests, periodic interests, principal, and remaining balance. These are headings that I've seen on my own schedule that I get back from the bank every year. Something else that I noticed about last year's project is this looks really nice. Look, the starting balance and the remaining balance kind of overlap. That's called, well here, let's click on this here. Highlights every last cell, and let's go, but wrap the text. All right, see that remaining balance? After I wrap it, it'll pop. Look at that, oh, that's lovely. Okay, the other thing I want to do is center my text. Just makes it look professional. Professional, right? Professional math. Okay, now months. In a 15-year loan, there's a lot of months because every year has 12 months. So how far do I know I'm going to go? Well, that's 15 times 12. So type in 1 through 180 and go. I'm going to cheat. I'm going to just do autofill. Highlight 1 and 2. And just keep on going until you see 180 down here. And actually, we started a little bit after the first row, so we'll probably have to go. Let's see where that goes. All right. Go 83 to get to your number. All right, that's how many numbers. Look at all the information we're going to be filling in. Starting balance is $100,000. Okay, monthly payment. Here it is. The moment of truth. You see up here. Where's my cursor? There we go. You see up here, this should look like our monthly payment formula from the last notes we did in class. It's a big formula. It's a lot of fun. I know you guys had fun with it. So here we go. It's going to equal. Oh, and we need like money signs because money sign B, money sign 4. This makes sure that when I autofill, it will stick to that. Oh, I need to put in times. This is not as sophisticated as the calculators. You need to put in times. The rate is 0.05. Now, instead of grabbing that cell, I just wrote in 0.05. Divide by 12. Divide by 1 minus 1 plus 0.05 over 12. Raise it to the power of negative 12 times 15. Let's see if that works. So our monthly payment is 81. Okay. Now, if you notice, this looks different than what I copied from last year. So what I did is Control tilde will show us the formula we entered. So right now we've only entered 2 formulas. Control tilde goes back. All right. Interest. That equals B4. And we should probably round this to the nearest cent, shouldn't we? Let's do that. I'm like that a lot better. Okay, periodic interest, that's B4 times 0.05 divided by 12 equals. Now this B4 does not have the money signs. We want that. As we autofill down here, that B4 should change. And then this is C4 minus D4, and then B4 minus E4. Okay, all to 2 decimal places. We need to fill in one more row, and then we can do some autofill. Because if I autofilled right now, this 100,000 would stay the same the whole time down. So we need to make sure that changes. So that is pretty easy. It equals F4. And actually, watch this. What's your trick? From this row right here. Boom. Got my row ready to go all to the bottom. Got to get to 180. Oh. It should equal 0. So if you did all your math right, your remaining balance should be 0 at the end. Let's go to the top and see how much we paid to it. Let's also change that to $sign on that one. That one's already got it. And let's change these to dollars. Are they all dollars? Yeah, they're all dollars. So let's change that whole block of text, of numbers, change it all to dollars. Make it look really. Okay. For the $100,000 house, we paid the bank $142,000. So we paid $42,000 just for them helping us out with, giving us a big chunk of money at the beginning. Your job is to do all that, and then add a sheet and do it again for year. So let's change the sheet to 15 years. Let's add a sheet with this. That to 30 year. Do the exact same steps on this page, except you're not going to 180 months, you're going to 360 months. The other place that's going to change, let's just do control tilde. Anywhere you see 15 years or 180 months, you're going to be changing on your next sheet 360. This and right here, very important, that little 15 right there, that will be a 30. Everything else will be the same. Okay, and then you get to find out, after you finish, you get to find out how much you paid on a 30-year loan. Good luck.